Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can move fast. Install Python 3.11 and create a virtualenv, then pip install the fmodel client. Once done, export your API key as fmodel KEY or write it to a secured credentials file so the client authenticates automatically. Next, scaffold a minimal project folder and add a single script that imports the fmodel package. Make sure to lock versions in requirements (txt) to avoid surprises later when you run examples. You now configure the client and craft your first request. Initialize the fmodel client with your key, pick the correct model variant, and set sensible timeouts. Then prepare the input prompt, specify token limits, temperature, and batch size so results match your intent. Next, call the generate or streaming function. If you stream, process partial outputs as they arrive and finalize when the stream ends. Finally, log usage metrics and check return metadata so you understand cost and performance. You finish by validating and hardening your integration. Write tests that cover typical and edge case prompts, then tune prompts and context windows to improve consistency. Once stable, implement simple caching and reuse strategies to cut repeated calls and cost. If something breaks, check the API key, usage quotas, chosen model name, network connectivity, and client logs. Often a wrong model string or expired key is the culprit. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failing input locally with
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.